So guys, today I'm going to guide you on how you can verify a UAE MOFA Attested certificate online in just 1 minute. In just one easy step, you'll be able to avoid fake documents. And most importantly, to help you verify that the UAE MOFA certificate you have is original and authentic. So without wasting any time, let us begin. Type MOFA verify in your Google search bar. You will see the first result. Simply tap on it. As you can see on the screen, MOFA Verify is a digital platform that enables instant verification of all your digital trusted documents. It verifies the authenticity, integrity, and validity of your document from the official source. It's really a very useful and good platform, guys, because here you can track your MOFA attestation application status by entering your application number and your mobile number. To verify your MOFA document, you can tap here to scan the QR code to verify or upload the document manually. Or you can do it the easy way by tapping here and then entering your application number and the attested date. And let me show you exactly how it's done. I have two certificates here. One is original and the other one is fake. So let me come on the first document here, copy the attestation number. It's this number here, as you can see. Okay, then paste it here and again enter the date that the document was attested. Then select the image as instructed on the screen and then tap on submit. As you can see on the screen, guys, this document is invalid or inauthentic. So it will be very easy for you to avoid getting into trouble by not using a fake document. Now let us check our next document. Again, come here and copy the attestation number or the reference number on your document. Paste it here in the box where it says attestation number. Again, go ahead and enter your document attestation date. This date can be found right here above your attestation reference number. Select the image to solve the captcha and then click on submit. As you can see, this document is valid and authentic. You can tap here on document information. This will reveal all the information and details about your attested certificates. Do you know what is interesting? You can even download a copy of your MOFA attested document right here by tapping on the download button. So that's how you verify your MOFA attested document, whether it's original or fake. If you want to attest your document with UAE MOFA, whether you are inside UAE or outside UAE, the video up next will guide you.